Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 07 August 2018, 00 of hour, 02 of minute and 21 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can we make rice in microwave? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can we make rice in microwave. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can we make rice in microwave. Cook rice. In a microwave-safe baking dish or medium bowl, combine 1 cup long-grain white rice, 2 cups water, and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Microwave, uncovered, on high, power level 10, until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed, 15 to 18 minutes. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.